Hey everybody, this is Mr. Trassare here to teach the middle school 7th and 8th graders STEM. So I'll be teaching design and modeling and automation and robotics. To find me, you'll have to go to the library. If you look at this location, you'll see that I'm closer to the middle school side by the cafeteria. And when you enter my room, this is what you're going to see. If you're going to come see me for design and modeling, the main purpose of the class is to teach you how to do things like engineers do. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing things like 3D modeling, learning how to make shapes like cameras, or for example, simple parts like this. And we're going to be working in groups quite a bit to start working on projects for customers. For example, prototypes for children with cerebral palsy that need medical help. 3D modeling and designing our own 2-scale rooms and houses. And if you want to work in a group, which is optional during COVID this year, you can work with a group and combine your rooms to make an entire house. So we like to 3D model and prototype in design and modeling. And in robotics, what we're going to be learning how to do is learning how to use different mechanical systems, as shown here. So how do I make this rotational motion go into a back and forth linear motion? How does something like an oddly shaped cam affect the behavior of a follower? How do we use gears and chain drives to build things like race cars and spinning signs for companies that are local, might be making an elevator, some other automated systems, because once you learn how to build mechanical things, you'll be able to program using buttons and sensors to do things like this. So if you're into STEM, you're coming to the right place. If you're looking for some classroom rules and policies, the big one this year is to wear your mask always. Make sure it's covering your mouth and your nose. That's for the safety of yourself and for others. We're going to be, again, working in groups, but if you don't want to, I'll try to accommodate your needs to work independently so you have a less chance of getting the virus if you're afraid of that. No cell phones. That's going to be across the board at middle school. And if you want some general classroom rules, things you'd expect: abide by the school rules as laid out in the student handbook. Try to be in your seat when the bell rings. Bring your materials to class every day. Number 4 is really important: clean up your workspace at the end of each class. At the start of each class, we'll be cleaning as well, just for the safety of everybody. Be respectful to each other and each other's property. Maintain soft voice levels while in groups, especially because we're over here by the library. Do not use technology unless I instruct you to. Try not to damage or misuse any materials, and definitely no cheating of any kind. Those are the big ones. So if you need to contact me, or if your parents want to send me an email, you can reach me at trassare@muschools.com, and you can spell that like this: TRASSAREA@muschools.com. Hope to see you soon. Looking forward to a good school year. Thanks for watching.